Hi everyone, today I make some trades on the US stock market. I'm making this video simply for my own personal records. So it's a bit like I'm making a personal trade diary, just that I'm making it into a video form. Just in case if enough audiences click into this video, then maybe I can get some extra money from the YouTube ads. So I'm just being very frank with you. So today I sold ASML, AMD, and EWY. So let's look at ASML. So I'm selling ASML simply based on the RSI. Right now the share price is very near the resistance and the RSI is above 70. So I'm just selling all my ASML. So I'm just following these well-defined trade rules. Next, let's look at AMD. Okay, so today I sold AMD for a small loss despite I'm following the RSI strategy. So around last year, I bought AMD at very low RSI, like maybe below 30. So the share price was around 120 plus. But for whatever reasons, AMD continued to tank. And so I have been holding this stock at a loss for many months. And today I just saw that the RSI went above 70 and the share price is rallying quite a lot from the bottom. So I mean, if you just calculate the percentage change from 80 to 117, it's actually quite a lot in terms of percentage. And so based on the RSI strategy, right now, I should not be holding this stock. So I'm just selling all my AMD despite at a small loss. So that's one classic example of the RSI strategy is not a 100% winning strategy. Next, we look at EWY. So EWY is the ETF that tracks the Korean stock market. So I have been holding this EWY since last year when some political drama broke out in Korea. But then I did not manage to sell EWY when the share price go up a little bit because the RSI didn't go beyond 70. So I was like trying to only sell the stock or ETF away when the RSI is above 70, and that didn't pay me well. And then this year we have the US trade war with the whole world, basically the tariffs war, and then EWY follow the entire market to tank. And so basically I'm wasting many months in this ETF. And now that the share price of EWY is hitting this resistance, so I decided to just sell everything. I just don't want to have anything to do with the Korean stock market anymore. Yeah, even though the RSI of EWY does not hit above 70, but I think based on the track record of EWY, there is a good chance that the share price will drop before the RSI actually hits 70. So I'm just letting go away of this EWY. And then today I make a new purchase. Today I bought my first tranche of UNH. So basically, UNH is the largest healthcare insurance stock in the US. So basically, I'm just buying the leader. Recently, the share price of UNH basically collapsed. I mean, the RSI is super low. It's ridiculously low. Also, I'm just following Adam Khoo to buy UNH. Even though I didn't really do a deep dive research into UNH yet, but I think it's fine because I'm just buying a very small position in UNH. So even if the stock goes to zero, I'm fine. But then I think there's still a good chance that UNH will recover eventually. I know last year or what, UNH has some drama news like the CEO was being murdered by a young man, and then it caused a lot of controversy because there is some society hatred against the so-called evil insurance company. And then recently, just a few days ago, another CEO of UNH actually stepped down. So basically, it's a lot of drama for the UNH. Yeah, nobody can predict the future. I can't as well, but I'm just following my RSI strategy to buy UNH, and I'm also having some confluence factors like Adam Khoo is buying. Yeah, some might wonder why I want to follow this guy called Adam Khoo. So for your information, Adam Khoo, he is the most famous investment guru in Singapore. I have been knowing many investment gurus in this market for quite some years, and what I can say is that Adam Khoo is one of the reliable gurus that you can follow. Adam Khoo is very transparent about his investment strategy, his stock selection strategy. Adam Khoo is the only one with a systematic approach to how you pick the US stocks for investment. And then Adam Khoo has been very transparent with the stocks that he's holding, the time that he's entering. I still remember very clearly For this US tariff war, when everyone was panicking, very pessimistic, Adam Khoo is the few person who is buying aggressively. So Adam Khoo has been right many times, like since the US-China trade war many years ago, since the COVID. So basically, Adam Khoo has a pretty good track record. So that is why I dare to openly tell everyone here that I'm following Adam Khoo to buy my first tranche of UNH. Even though I have not done a very deep dive research into UNH yet. Yeah, anyway, so this is just my sharing. Please don't follow me. Please do your own research. If you lose money by following what I say in this video, then it's your own fault.